All our Flawless clinics, we have a wide range of treatments and products that can cater to the type of acne that you have. And remember, before I give you a rundown, so the consultation is free. So you can talk to all our doctors here at Flawless to give you the expert advice. So when it comes to treatment, you start with the facial. We have the advanced clarifying facial, of course, for acne. And then second is you can have a skin peel as well that can control that breakout. And lastly, of course, we have medical treatments na you can try. Kung ayaw mo na nung hindi naman ayaw after the non-med treatments, then we have medical treatments that will not only cater your acne breakouts as well as your marks and the scars from your acne. And of course, last but not the least, important, I always advise my patients it's not advisable or ideal to just go with treatments alone. Of course, you have to have a very good skincare products or skincare routine to achieve that results that you want to achieve. So here at Flawless, we have medical products that is only exclusive here at Flawless. So it comes already, it comes with your wash and two lotions or serums that can target all the types of acne that you have. And of course, if you are tight on a budget, we also have other treatments and products that can cater to your needs.